Hi, my name is Lizeth Binkley, and I am the marketing coordinator for Lariat Restoration. Outside of work, I stay pretty busy because I'm a mom to 4 beautiful girls. But aside from that, I like to run. I try to get a run in every day. And me and my husband are into classic cars and custom cars, and so we like to go around in those and work on those. And I also really like the 50s and pinup culture, so I do a lot of pinup photography and hang out with my pinup group that I'm a part of. So one of the things that I really like about working at Lariat Restoration is coming in every day and seeing all my coworkers and just the environment here. There's always something going on every day in the restoration business. Is something different, and it's really nice to not be stuck, in an office all day when get the call to come here or go there. There's something going on, and I just really enjoy that. I also really enjoy the challenges of working here. It's a whole new industry and field for me, and so it's been really fun learning all the different aspects that go into marketing and just helping out wherever I'm needed around here. It's been really a learning experience. So I worked for the Army for the past 15 years, and I did web design, and I was really looking for a change in not only career but somewhere that I could use my creative thought processes, and I wanted to really put them to use. And I've always had a love for design, whether it was graphic design or photography or whatever the case is. And so I just really wanted to go somewhere where I could put that to use and extend my knowledge on it. I was really excited about the opportunity to use my creative outlet for good and bring that to Lariat Restoration, where I can really get out there and show the public what it is that restoration does, because fortunately a lot of people don't even know what this company does. And so it's a good way for me to be able to use that creative outlet, whether it's the photography or the design or whatever it is that I'm doing, and I can use that to inform the public. And that's why I chose Lariat Restoration. So one of the greatest impacts that I think that I can have is just really capturing what our customers go through. Unfortunately, they're going through a traumatic event, and if I'm able to capture that and somehow portray that for our audience to see that Lariat Restoration is really cares about our customers and has their best interests at heart, and so that if they ever have to go through a situation like that, they know that they can count on us. Someone should choose Lariat Restoration because we not only care about our customers, we truly want to show them compassion and help them get back to how they once were. We not only restore their belongings in their house, but we want to help restore their lives back to what it was like before the accident happened.